For years, I have struggled with baking due to the lack of patience and accuracy. Not to say I'm any better today, however, after rounds of trial, I did figure out a recipe that fits into my cooking philosophy, which is easy, flexible, and still produces something delicious. In this video, I'm going to share this cookie recipe, which by the way is my favorite, and no matter how much you believe you're bad at baking, it will be really hard to fail this one. Relax and let's go. First, melt a bar of unsalted butter. Use the microwave, high heat, takes about 30 seconds. Add half cup of olive oil. In a large bowl, crack 2 large eggs. Three tablespoons of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of honey. Pour in the butter and olive oil mixture. Whisk. Break the butter chunks as much. If there are smaller chunks left, just do not worry about it. That's how easy this recipe is. One teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Whisk again. One teaspoon of baking soda. Whisk until the liquid ingredients turn sticky. Add 3 cups of all-purpose flour. To increase proteins in this recipe, I'm using this waffle mix I bought from Costco instead, which also made the cookie fluffier. Mix until the dough is smooth. The final product should be soft but not runny. If it's too runny, add a bit more flour, 1 tablespoon at a time, until you reach the proper texture. Use an ice cream scoop to scoop up 12 cookies evenly. Make them any shape you like. For some of them, I sprayed some sesame seeds for added nutty taste. (375 Fahrenheit) bake for 18 to 20 minutes. Voila, they're ready. The soft texture is in between cake and cookies. It is not that sweet, but very buttery with a strong honey flavor. I can't stop to go back and grab one after another. That is the hard to manage part of this recipe. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Click on the like button and try it. Let me know how it goes. If you are new, please also remember to subscribe and check out the other exciting and easier to follow recipes in my channel. Thanks, and I'll see you in other videos.